Good afternoon, everyone. Today, I will be sharing the result of my Clifton Strength Assessment, focusing on my strategic thinking and leadership strength. I will discuss how this strength shaped my approach to leadership, areas I can improve, and how I plan to grow professionally. The Clifton Strength Assessment helps uncover the unique talents that influence how we think, feel, and behave. Understanding these talents is essential for effective leadership because it allows us to leverage our natural abilities and identify areas for growth. My goal today is to explore my top strengths, understand their impact, and reflect on how I can develop weaker areas to become a more well-rounded leader. These are my top 5 Clifton Strength themes, which are the core talents I naturally possess. They include leader, achiever, intellection, context, and input. Each of these themes influence my behavior and leadership style in different ways, and together they form the foundation of how I approach challenge and opportunities. Let me briefly explain each of these strengths. First, leader reflects my passion for acquiring new knowledge, which keeps me motivated and curious. I enjoy the process of learning. Continuous growth excites me, and I thrive on developing new skills. Achiever describes my drive to work diligently and achieve tangible results. I am persistent, hardworking, and driven to complete tasks. I found satisfaction in productivity and tangible accomplishments. Intellection shows my enjoyment of deep thinking and reflection. I like exploring complex ideas and concepts. Context indicates my tendency to learn from history and past experience to inform current decisions. I use this knowledge to guide present decisions and future planning. Finally, input highlights my natural curiosity to gather information and resources that can be shared or utilized. These strengths enable me to be an effective leader by fostering continuous learning, setting high standards, encouraging innovative thinking, and making informed decisions. For example, my leader strength help me stay updated and motivate my team to grow. Achiever drive me to complete tasks and meet goals. Intellection help me think critically and develop creative solutions. Context allows me to use lessons from the past, and input helps me bring valuable insight to the table and promote knowledge sharing. While my top strengths highlight my natural talents, I also have areas where I have less innate ability. These include adaptability, winning over others, empathy, communication, and positivity. Recognizing these weaker areas is crucial because it presents opportunities for growth and development. Developing this skill will help me become a more adaptable and emotionally intelligent leader. Let me briefly describe these lower ranked themes. Adaptability indicates a preference for planning rather than frequent changes. Winning others over can be challenging for me as I may find it difficult to quickly build rapport. Empathy involves understanding and sharing others' feelings, which I recognize I can improve. Communication is about effectively conveying ideas, and positivity refers to creating an uplifting environment, areas I am to strength. To develop these areas, I plan to practice active listening, participate in communication workshops, and seek feedback from colleagues. I will also engage in activities that promote adaptability and emotional intelligence, and I will read relevant books or attend seminars. The goal is to intentionally strengthen these weaker areas to support my overall leadership effectiveness. In summary, my strengths provide a solid foundation for impactful leadership. By leveraging my natural talents, I can inspire growth, foster innovation, and make informed decisions. At the same time, I recognize the importance of developing my weaker areas, such as adaptability and empathy, to become a more versatile and effective leader. Continuous self-awareness and intentional development are key to my ongoing growth. Thank you for your time. Any questions or key points to develop forward can be addressed in the future discussion board.